All right, well, I gave up on trying to pick that lock, and I drilled it out. So basically, I just picked 3 points around the lock and drilled until it pretty much just disappeared. Once I was able to get this part off, I stuck a set of needle nose pliers through the hole and unthreaded this. So these are threaded on to that bolt right there, and once that the part of the lock that was threaded on the bolt came off, the whole tray slid right out. And I didn't damage, I don't know which one goes to which, didn't damage the front part, so I can get a replacement barrel lock. So I spent probably another half an hour, not on video, futzing with this thing. I still have the top two to get out, and I'll wait for another day on those. And I'm going to continue trying my luck at the whatever you call this unlocking tool. I started to suspect, even though I was able to get the first one out without too much fuss, it wasn't immediate. It took me a while to get it out. That maybe these are not a metric size, and that the one that I was using was close, but it wasn't exactly the correct diameter that what I needed. I don't know how old these things are. They don't look terribly old, but like I said in an earlier video, there's no name or manufacturer or date on the exterior of this thing. I don't see anything on the interior. These trays are just pretty generic. It's nothing that tells me who made this or anything I could Google. So anyway, I've got both trays out. I still don't know why the one with the door is almost twice as heavy as the one without the door. I was hoping that there was something in the tray that was causing the weight difference. The trays themselves are the same, and when I test the weight on them without the trays on, this one here is still heavier than that one. Looking through the cracks down here, it seems that they're the same. They're both empty. It looks like they have the same mechanicals. I'm just assuming that something is probably plastic or aluminum in one and the other one is steel, and that's the difference. I don't think there's any contents. Again, shaking them, you can even hear that that's heavier than this, but you can't hear any contents rattling around. So that's it for the Candy Machine series, and I'm about tired of doing this anyway. So I'm headed out on the road this week, and I'll be back in the weekend, and maybe this will be a continuing project after that. Most likely it'll be a couple weeks, or when I get annoyed of this taking up my conference room table. Well, until next time.